I'm here with Marlee.
I'm 7 years old. I'm in year 2.
And Lathem.
8.
8, and what grade are you in?
3.
We're going to show you a few different playgrounds and show you Lathem and Marlee on the playground.
Now my turn.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! Balancing area. Oh, okay.
Oh, people do fast motion, slow, and then fast again. So this one on slow motion.
Okay, let's go to the next park. You're going to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye. Peace out.
I've got my camera, Lathem's got the DJI Ozmo Pocket, and he's going to show you around the playground. Off you go, Lathem.
Where's the park? It's part 2 of showing you around the park and of us playing on them. First we have Marlee on the net. If I've already showed you, a little balance beam, rocks, a chair. Then there's swings, step on it. And there's a 2-slide, double slide. And there's a thing where you can step down, which I'm going to use to show you. This is a little secret area, a little shop. Marlee's on the swing.
Lathem's filming everything, aren't you, Lathem? Are you going to film Lathem?
Let's go start. Watch me on it. Look how much it shakes. How scary it is.
Can you stay on there? Woohoo! Where are we going next?
And yeah, that's a park. Bye. Bye. Like the part 3. And here we are.
Wow, where are we, Marlee?
At the brand new park in Clyde. Let me show you the park.
It's huge. Let's go have a look. Latham, you going to show us around?
Okay. We're at a park, I'll show you. That's the Ginor's double slide. If you can't see, I'll get closer. On the way, here's the swings. Then there's a double one. This is the little trampoline I was jumping on. And it's elastical. And this is a close-up of the hill. That's the sand area with a little chain to drop down. And I'll show you the obstacle course. There's one. Looks really hard, doesn't it? It is. And there's rock climbing behind that. Some swings. Skate park way over there. I'll go close up. That's a little 1-person tennis area. That's the close up of the 1-person tennis area. Basketball court. Skate park around there. I'll show you. It's cold. My hands are freezing. And here's the skate park, as you can see. And I'll go back. Show you me going down the big slide if it's not wet, because it's raining. It's the only time, because my nan is the one who records, but I'm recording. She has all the cameras. We don't have one, so this is the only chance. The little climbing net. And there's a little tunnel, and here's me going up there, gonna go down this side.
So right up the stairs.
I'm about to go there. It's a high spot.
My goodness, be careful.
Can I film
Was that
me
scary?
with the small one down the side? Yes, it goes blank.
Go, Marlee. It's dark in there. Here comes Marlee.
I'm gonna go again.
Lathem. Woo!
Thanks for watching the video of our parks. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn all notifications on.